Hello, everybody. My name is Kat. I'm one of the Beach Boss influencers, and I'm really happy and excited to be here with you guys because we're going to be talking about how to attract a massive tribe of your perfect prospects without being an expert, without being a guru, and actually without having huge success in the industry, without having anything, because that's exactly where we all started, probably where you are right now. Let's get to our topic. And actually, I have an incredible announcement at the end of this video. So make sure to stick around because you're going to be really excited when you find out what's coming up for you guys here. So how to attract your perfect prospect in masses, right? Because we all kind of like tired of chasing people. That's probably why you're here, because you were sick and tired, bugging friends and family, being that salesy weirdo that nobody wants to engage with, and you want to build your business the way that you enjoy it, and you want to start attracting people to you rather than chasing them, right? So that's probably where you're at right now in your journey. And let me know if I'm right. So how to attract those people? And a lot of times we think, well, we tell you, right, you have to show up, you have to share valuable content, you have to position yourself as a leader. But how do I do it? I have nothing, right? I don't have a downline. I don't have a lot of customers. All I have is this dream, but I don't have any results yet. How can I show up as a leader and an expert if I don't have any results yet? So have you felt that way? And I'm going to tell you that's totally normal. We all been there. It's called imposter syndrome. And we all go through this feeling, and there's no exception. There's no way around it. So if you feel that way, it's totally normal. It means you are on the right track. You're not doing anything wrong. But now you need to understand that person that you want to attract is on the exact same journey as you are. They have the same dreams, they have the same desires, and they have the same problems. So you cannot imagine how many people out there who are just like you, who started network marketing to make extra couple $100 or have their products for free, and they got inspired by the industry and they wanted to build a business for themselves where they can retire from their jobs, but they just don't know how to keep moving forward. They feel stuck and they need solutions for their problems. And what's going to happen if somebody shows up in front of them and start telling them that they know exactly how they feel and they know exactly how to help them to fix that problem? They're going to start following you. They're going to start watching your videos. They're going to start bookmarking your page, and they're going to start asking questions. And sooner or later, you can ask them, how do you feel about working with me? And they will say, thank God you asked, because I think that what you have is exactly what I want to have. And until, that gonna happen, there's a few steps that you need to master, right? It's not gonna happen right away, but it is certainly, there's a process in place that we describe, in many of our trainings, and Digital Business Card covers it, and Social Recruiting Secrets covers it, and our coaching zone covers step by step how to get you from where you are right now to where you want to be in the least amount of time and more effectively. So how in the world can you attract people, right? I just want to describe to you this concept to help you overcome this imposter syndrome. So people that you want to attract, they're exactly like you, and they are on the same journey, but they are just a few steps behind of you, right? You already in your company, you already in this next island coaching community, a little bit more than that newbie person who is still struggling and looking for answers than you are. And they, as soon as they see you showing up and starting sharing your little knowledge that you have, they're gonna look at you as like, oh my gosh, this person's talking about exactly what I need to hear. It's gonna start happening as soon as you start showing up for those people, right? We don't want you to show up with a commission breath and hidden agenda. We want you to show up for those people. And you don't have to be a guru. You don't have to be an expert. You only have to be a few steps ahead of that person, maybe even one step. Doesn't have to be years. Like, you might be looking at us like, oh my gosh, guys, you got it all figured out. You have this amazing system, this amazing platform. You have results. It's easy for you to show up and start attracting people. But we need you to remember that we were exactly where you are right now, just a few years ago, right? And we just keep doing what we're telling you to do. And that's how we got here. So, but the goal is, once those people look at you like, oh, she might be an expert, she might be able to help me. And they kind of put you on the pedestal, right? She's up here and I'm up here. I need to be where she is, right? But in order for you to start attracting more people, you need to get yourself down to their level and start telling them that you know exactly how they feel. You know exactly, where they at right now, and you know exactly what they need to do to get there where they want to be. You need to get yourself to their level of thinking, their level of emotional struggle, financial struggle, whatever struggle they're going through. And you just getting yourself on the same, like you tune into their brain and their emotions, and you tell them, I know how to get there where you want to get, because I'm few steps ahead and I know what that next step should be for you. And it works not only for attracting your business builders, it works for, any industry you're in. You can attract people this way who want to be healthier. You can attract people who want to lose weight. You can attract people who care about, their skin, their hair. So you can attract people in any niche, in any industry, but just positioning yourself as somebody who can help them, because maybe just a little bit more than they do. Maybe you know a lot more than they do, and you want to share with them what to do next to get to that next level. I hope that makes sense. Sometimes I get so excited and passionate about talking what I'm talking about that I sometimes get a little bit ahead of myself and get sidetracked. But I think I pictured what I wanted to explain to you today, and I hope it's clear to you. So let me know if it resonates with you, that you just, yes, I want to attract people, but I don't have results. I don't have experience. I'm not an expert. So you need to start educating yourself so you will be an expert for that person. Start learning, what is it those people want to know? What is this people are Googling? What is this that they're searching on social media? Who they following? Who they want to connect with? What is it that they need? And show up for those people, serving those people. So this is kind of like how this process works. And once you're going to start doing it, it might be a little bit uncomfortable, right? Because you step into a new role. You might be good at what you do at your job. Like you might be good at accounting. You might be good at teaching. You might be good at managing a huge, healthcare professionals team. But you're going to find yourself very uncomfortable in this network marketing, magnetic marketing field because it's brand new and you feel like an imposter. But just listen to your inner guide, because it's been telling you all this time that you have a potential to do more in your life. And that's how you ended up here. It's been guiding you without you even knowing it. So that's how you ended up here. So anyways, people who you're trying to attract are on the same journey as you are, just a few steps behind of you. You don't need to be an expert, but you need to keep educating yourself so you can deliver something valuable to them, right? So the videos that you're watching here, the trainings that you purchased from us, any other people that you're following in the field and you learn something, turn around and teach your people because they are on the same journey, right? That's kind of was the biggest aha moment. These people are like you when you just started your journey, but you may be 2 months into it, a year into it, 5 years into it. You have more wisdom. You have failed more times than they did. You have more experience. You have more knowledge, and you have that passion to share your knowledge. So use it and do it. So very simple, right? You learn something new, go teach your people. That's how simple it is. That's how actually I did it from the beginning. I would learn something, get aha moment, write it down, and the next day or even the same day, I would go and make that live video and tell my people, this is how it works. That's how you need to be doing it. And people will think, oh my gosh, she actually knows what she's talking about. And I just learned that 2 days ago or 2 hours ago. And that's how you attract people in masses, when you show up for them as a leader, as a person who can help them on their journey, not your journey. But you share parts of your journey. So this is how attraction marketing works. And it's okay to feel like an imposter. It's okay to feel like you don't know what you're doing. It's okay to feel like, who will want to work with me because I don't have any results yet. So we all been there, but you just have to trust us. You just have to follow the process, follow our footsteps. And like we said, the only difference between where you right now and where we at, we've been doing it for a little bit longer. That's all. So, and I have incredible announcement for you guys that we're very excited. We're releasing a brand new bonus for our Academy members. So if you're a current Academy member, get excited, because starting from December 20th, and if you watched Brandy's live a couple days ago on what to post on social media, and you kind of like got an aha moment, you got an idea, but you're still kind of like overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, what is it I'm going to post now? Because they're telling me to post completely different stuff, what my upline is telling me to post. And now I have to come up with this whole huge different content every single day for social media. It might be overwhelming. So we got together and decided to make this process a lot easier for you. And we're going to be releasing every single month, starting on December 20th, your whole entire social media done for you content. So Academy members will be getting this, we call it bundle, this content bundle that will be specifically designed for the following month. So for the month of January, you will get your bundle on December 20th. So you will have time to plan, right? So it's no brainer. So we're sharing what we posting, what we were doing, and so that your audience resonate with what you're posting. So you'll be getting 30 inspirational quotes with an amazing professionally done images that people haven't seen around yet, because we created them and they're brand new. You'll be getting 15 marketing tips that you can share with your followers if you want to attract them to you. You will be getting 15 Facebook Live topics. You will be getting, oh my gosh, I can't even, you will be getting 5 stories that's already done. What else is in there? So basically, the only thing you have insert, if you will be using this package, the only thing you have to insert is your personal stuff. Maybe, you're waiting for a bus with your child, you're cooking something, you're stuck in traffic. So you only have to put personal posts in between, but everything else is already done with this done for you content bundle. So every month, our Academy members will be getting this bundle of content for free in their back office. And if you're not an Academy member, maybe you need to join. And also you will be able to purchase it, but for a certain price. So we're gonna tell you more details about that a little bit later once it's ready to go, but be excited, because now your Academy journey is going to be more exciting and more enjoyable and a lot easier than you might have thought it is right now. So this is it for today. I'm very excited to be here with you guys. And don't forget to schedule your coaching call if you haven't done it yet. And I'm going to see you next time.